In this video, I'm going to go over the upper back pain muscle and how to release it for instant relief. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, Dr. Rowe coming to you from SpineCare in St. Joseph, Michigan. In this video, we're going to focus on the main muscles that tend to cause the most amount of upper back pain. What usually causes this pain is due to a blend of weakness and tightness in these muscles that can lead to strain, irritation, and eventually pain. To make any relief easy, I'm going to break the video up into two separate parts that are going to focus on lengthening tight muscles and then strengthening them. That way we can get both quick and long-lasting relief. Both parts work just a little bit differently. They're going to target different muscles. To get the best results, go through all the exercises and use what gives you the most relief. With that being said, let's get started. In this part, we're going to focus on getting quick upper back pain relief by releasing muscle tightness. Let's start off by targeting the rhomboids, the muscles right in between the shoulder blades. If most of your upper back pain is on the inside of your shoulder blade towards the spine, definitely give this one a try. All you're going to need is something like a door frame, squat rack, a pole, a small tree will even work. It just has to be something that you can grab onto and be sturdy enough where it will support your body weight. So the first movement, you're going to put your feet together, spaced pretty close to that door frame. Take your arms and cross them over just like this. Doesn't matter which side is on top. In fact, during the exercise, I would alternate and see which side works a little bit better for you. You just want your thumbs pointed towards the floor. So let's get a good grip onto that door frame, roughly around head level. And then from here, you're just going to lean backward like this, letting your body weight fall backward. So as you build into this, you're going to feel a really deep stretch form in the upper back, even more so in between the shoulder blades. It should really feel like they're opening up, offering a very deep stretch. If you don't feel that, just lean back a little bit further or change the placement of your hands. So go up with them or a little bit lower. You'll probably find that one certain position just finally offers that deep stretch. So for me, it's like right here. Once you do find that position, you want to hold this comfortably for 20 to 30 seconds and do nice, slow, controlled breathing. Let that tension out. From there, just relax and then repeat this 3 to 5 times. And with each repetition, try to build into it just a little bit more. So to take this one to the next level, engage some more muscles and hopefully get some more relief, this is what you can do. Let's put our feet together just like this and have our hip facing towards that door frame. The hand that is on the far side, you're going to reach across your body, have it roughly around chest level, get a very good grip into that door frame, and now just press your hips away from the door frame. So kind of like lean your body away. At this point, you should feel a really good stretch form in your upper back across your shoulder blades, but you should also start to feel it around your armpit, working down into the ribs. Once you feel that, you're going to hold that position. Now bend your elbow on the other side, roughly at 90 degrees. Now moving through your shoulder blade, scoop across your body just like this. You should feel that deep opening stretch form right in between the shoulder blades, and it usually feels really, really good. Hold this one comfortably for 20 to 30 seconds and then relax. On the next repetition, try to build into it just a little bit more and repeat this 3 to 5 times. From there, switch sides and repeat to keep everything in balance. With this exercise, we're going to focus on releasing tightness in the Erector Spinae. If you're unfamiliar with them, they're a group of muscles that run pretty much the whole length of your spine right off to the side, and when they become strained can cause a lot of pain in the upper back. So let's start on all fours just like this on a floor. What you're going to do is have your hands roughly shoulder width apart and start off by crawling forward just like this until you feel a light stretch form in your upper back. Once you feel that, you're going to take your fingers and grip right into the floor. That way your hands will not slip. Tuck your chin slightly towards your chest and now rock your whole body backward, taking your butt towards your heels. You're going to feel a deep opening stretch pretty much through your whole back, but really focus on feeling it in the upper back. To intensify this stretch, all you have to do is let your chest sag forward towards the floor. This will really open up in between the shoulder blades. And if you want a deeper stretch still, just take your fingers and crawl forward like this. But once you feel that deep, comfortable stretch in your upper back, you want to hold this for 20 to 30 seconds and do nice, slow, controlled breathing. Let that tension out. From there, rock forward, take a breather. On the next repetition, try to build into it just a little bit more. Repeat this 3 to 5 times. To take this one to the next level, let's get back on all fours just like this, but take one hand and reach across your body towards the other side until you feel a light stretch form across your upper back. Once you feel that, just take your fingers, grip into the floor. Now rock your whole body backward. This usually feels really good. I feel a deep, intense stretch pretty much from my upper back that works across my shoulder blades into my armpit. Hold this for 20 to 30 seconds, relax, and then repeat this on the other side. Repeat this nice and slowly for 3 to 5 repetitions on both sides. With this exercise, we're going to target the 2 muscles that tend to cause the most amount of upper back pain. The first being the upper trapezius, which causes a lot of pain across the upper back, into the shoulders, even into the side of the neck. Big hot spot for tension headaches. This exercise you can do standing or seated. So whatever side that you're having a little bit more upper back pain, let's say it's your right side, take the arm on that side, bend your elbow at 90 degrees, and then slide your arm across your lower back until you feel a light, gentle activation of the muscle in the shoulder, across the upper back, into the side of the neck. That's how you know that you're targeting that upper trapezius. So we're going to hold that, take the hand on the other side, hook the side of the head, and now slowly pull our ear towards the other side shoulder. Do this one slowly because you're going to feel a deep stretch form pretty much from the upper back, top of the shoulder, into the side of the neck. Once you feel that, hold it comfortably for 20 to 30 seconds, relax, repeat this 3 to 5 times, and with each repetition, try to build into it just a little bit more. If you would like to take this one to the next level, as you do this stretch, get into that deep initial stretch, hold it, and now slowly turn to look upward towards the ceiling. So I'm kind of like rotating my chin towards the ceiling. This will really intensify it, so build into it slowly. Just remember, whatever you do on one side, do on the other to keep everything in balance. So the next muscle is the levator scapula, which runs pretty much from the top of the shoulder blade into the upper back into the side of the neck. Another hot spot for tension headaches. For this one, we're going to do an exercise fittingly called the armpit sniffer. So again, whatever side that you're having the most amount of pain, let's say it's your right side, what you're going to do is slowly turn your head towards the other side shoulder, so I'm looking towards my left, until I feel a light stretch form from my upper back that works into my neck. Once I feel that, I'm going to hold that, take the hand on the other side, hook the back of my head, and now passively pull my chin towards my armpit. This time around, you should feel a little bit deeper of a stretch. I feel it more towards the top of the shoulder blade, and it works kind of like right up here into the neck towards the back of the ear. Hold this comfortably for 20 to 30 seconds, relax. On the next repetition, try to build into it just a little bit more and do that 3 to 5 times on both sides. In this part, we're going to switch gears and now focus on getting long-lasting upper back pain relief by strengthening the muscles that help support it. What we're going to do is start seated with very good upright posture. Have your back as straight as possible. Let's begin by targeting the rhomboids right in between the shoulder blades. So you're going to straighten your arms, put your hands together just like this, kind of like a clapping position. Now moving through your shoulders and your shoulder blades, reach forward as much as you can until you feel a deep opening stretch right in between your shoulder blades. Hold this comfortably for 3 to 5 seconds and then slowly go in reverse, bringing your shoulders and shoulder blades backward like this. It should almost feel like your shoulder blades are now starting to pinch. Again, hold this for 3 to 5 seconds and then repeat this 3 to 5 times in both directions. But if it feels like you have a little bit more energy, challenge yourself by throwing in another set or 2. So let's take this one to the next level, strengthen some more muscles, but also help improve our posture. This one is called the angel. So what I'm going to do is put my arms right out in front of me and then bring my arms back like this to the point where I feel a really good stretch form right here in the chest, but more importantly, it should feel like the shoulder blades in the back are starting to pinch. Once I feel that, I hold this position and now bend my elbows at 90 degrees. So it kind of looks like a field goal position. Really wing those elbows back as much as you can. Hold this and now reach towards the ceiling. Go up as high as you can. At this point, you're going to feel a ton of muscles throughout the upper back start to fire. Hold this for a couple seconds and then slowly bring your elbows down towards your side. Again, holding this for a couple seconds. From there, relax, take a breather, and then repeat this 3 to 5 times. But again, if it feels like you have a little bit more energy, Try to challenge yourself by throwing in another set or two. This is a perfect exercise that you can do throughout the day anytime that you feel muscle tightness or pain starting to build. This next strengthening exercise you can do daily right at the edge of your bed. It's called the shoulder blade pump, and it's pretty much going to target all the muscles in the upper back. It's going to be a series of different movements in different positions. Each position you're going to want to hold for 3 to 5 seconds. So let's start off on our stomach and slide forward until our head and shoulders are off the edge. Take 2 fingers, put them on your chin. Slightly tuck your chin towards your chest and then press the back of your head straight up towards the ceiling until you feel a light activation of the muscles in the neck. You're going to hold this position during this exercise. So the first position that we're going to do is straighten our arms off to our side just like this, palms facing towards the ceiling. Press your palms upward towards the ceiling until you feel a really good, comfortable activation of the muscles in the upper back. Again, you're going to hold this for 3 to 5 seconds. From there, relax. The next position is angling our arms a little bit off to our side and then repeating. You're going to notice it hits the muscles just a little bit differently. The next position is our arms straight off to our side, but this time around we're going to make a hitchhiker sign with our thumbs towards the ceiling. Press your fists upward towards the ceiling while trying to pinch your shoulder blades as much as you can. From there, the next position is the Y position, so our hands are right off towards our side, and then we're going to lift our thumbs towards the ceiling. The last position, our arms are going to be straight ahead just like this, kind of like Superman flying. But with this position, I really try to press my fist away from me as much as I can until I feel the muscles on the top of my shoulders start to activate. That would be the upper trapezius. And then we're going to lift our thumbs towards the ceiling. From there, just go in reverse, doing this whole cycle until we get back to our starting position. Try to repeat this 3 to 5 times in all positions. But what you're going to notice is that one certain position just feels the most challenging, the most weak. Like let's say for me it's the Y position. At that point, treat it like your weak link and throw more repetitions in until it feels like you got a really good workout. If the exercises help, please support the channel by giving this video a like and maybe subscribing too. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.